Today, I have something truly spectacular to share with you. Introducing Asetek Invicta quad pedals. Double brake, double throttle. These here are just absolutely mind-blowing. I'm not going to mess about today. We're going to get straight into this review. How much are you going to be paying for this new quad pedal setup by Asetek? Listen, these come here at $1,650 or euros. Now I know what you're thinking, that's crazy money. But let me tell you, what is better than one hydraulic brake? It's two hydraulic brakes. I mean, come on, maths. You have 2 times the stopping power. I can tell you under very good authority that these pedals are exact replicas of what is in Lance Stroll's car. And yeah, you've heard him talk about the Constantina effect. Yeah, that's a real thing.
Yeah, I think it was a Constantina effect in the hairpin. Someone braked in front, and I think it was like everyone kind of braked, and the car in front of me just stopped right in front of me. I had nowhere to go, and yeah, it was just one of those really weird racing incidents.
You're gonna have to watch with these pedals. This is probably my only negative, is that I have to be careful of the Constantina effect.
I don't understand it. It was really just one of those Constantina effect racing incidents, which I guess because I was the one that hit the guy in front of me that I got the penalty, but I think someone caused that like in front of him, you know, someone hit the brakes, and yeah, it was a weird one.
And now yeah, this is where the absolute sheer genius of Asetek comes. They've introduced AIT, AIT, and it is called Active Independent Throttle. What do I mean by that? It is simple. You know, you can imagine going around a bend. If you are increasing the torque on one end, and on the inside of the corner you are lowering the torque on the other side, the car corners just that much better. It is incredible.
Yes, science!
Listen here, when you're pushing down on this throttle over here on the left hand side, the tires on the left hand side of the car, you know, those are the ones that gain torque and movement. And then if you push down on this, independently the right hand side has torque. So now you're controlling your left hand of the car with this pedal, and you're controlling the right of this car. Now you know this physics. I know I'm a professional. I'm not going to overcomplicate things. I'm just going to show you with a real life example. Yeah, I am trying to get on the inside of this corner, and I'm hard on the brakes, making the corner nice and easy. I know with my double throttle I can make this corner stick. Now I'm modulating the right hand side of that throttle to get the extra traction on the left hand side of the car, and now I'm doing the opposite. I'm trying to get more traction on the right hand side of the car, so I'm just blipping the throttle on the left hand side. And you can see with my double throttle the amount of acceleration I have against the other Porsche. Again, hard on the brakes, and then double throttle, and look at the gap in the back already, pulled away with ease. My conclusion, what do I think about the Asetek Invicta quad pedal set? Listen here, these absolutely blown my mind. It's blown my engine, it's blown the cars in front of me completely out of the way. Honestly, worth every penny of the 1,650 euros or dollars that you're going to be paying for these pedals. The only question you're going to ask yourself is, should I buy 2 pairs of quad pedals? Because then you'll have that many pedals. Amazing. But listen here, I've got your back. I've got a 5% discount code. Yes, SIMSPORTS at checkout, and you're saving yourself maybe like 20 euros. I mean, honestly, what more can I do for you? What more can Asetek do for you? These here are just, it feels like cheating. It feels like cheating. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible. Build quality, magnifique. Performance, out of this galaxy. Not even this world. I'm telling you now, are you even a real racing driver if you don't have quad pedals? Ask yourself, is it worth going another day without having a quad set of pedals? Listen, I don't need to answer that question for you. It's simple maths. 2 beats 4. You know. Okay. I'm not a physicist. 2 beats 4. No. 4 beats 2. Yes. Simple maths. 4 beats 2. Ooh.